Hi traders, this is Dr. Greg here, and I was looking at the euro. Have you ever tried trading the euro and you get whipsawed and price goes against you? And you never know what to do because you thought it was going to go down, but then it goes up against you. Well, I'm going to show you what to do when you get into a whipsaw. Okay. Yeah, my name is Dr. Greg McLeod, and I help traders become professional, consistent traders using my PIP and Run method. And if you stay to the end, there's a gift at the end. Please click the link in the description and get access to a free report and also a bunch of resources as well. Okay, let's get to it. This is the euro that we traded today. We entered during London session. And what happened was we have our samurai sword. We use a samurai sword strategy, and the samurai sword strategy is an opening range or I use a pre-market opening range. The opening range is green. The pre-market is actually red. And what happened was that price actually went up, right? And it was probably stopped out because I got because I was looking for a long, and then what happened was it broke down, and then I got short, got stopped out, and then it wicked back, got short, because we get short when price breaks below the rectangle, and then it went back up, and then this wick stopped us out, and then finally went down again. So I was stopped out like 1, 2, 3 times, okay? But on the third time was a charm, right, where price broke back below, and I was able to short below 114.33, and then was able to take that down. In fact, I'm going to close out the trade right now. It actually rallied up a little bit. It hit this 50-period moving averages. It's dropping. You see that I'm actually in this trade, and so I'm up 2,100 and 2120 right now, 2130 right now. Greg, go ahead, close it out. Take it. I'm thinking it was going to drop even further, but I'm going to go ahead and take my $2,130 or so right about now. I'm going to put my finger up. There we go. We'll click that out. And then we got the exit. So there we go. So we actually took the trade. You saw it live. This is what I do 3 days a week, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursday in my $50,000 to $50,000 challenge. This is a challenge where it's a live account challenge where you use your live money starting at $50, and we scaled up to $50,000, and you just look over my shoulder. So if you want more information about that, go ahead and click that link as well, and book a call with me because we have all kinds of bonuses that we use with that. Like how I actually found this trade in the very beginning, to back it up a little bit, is I have a trade scanner called the Samurai Sword Opening Range Breakout Scanner. And so what I did was went ahead and looked at my Forex majors, and then the fork. We're gonna click that, and then here was the euro, and it showed that hey, we had a break from our range breakout. Actually, the range breakout was from the London session. I put the trade during London and went to sleep, and there is Kenji is our AI bot, and he gave the euro as one of his 3 picks. Okay, and then so you click that, and we can see that this is Samurai Sword. This is our breakdown, and we had this really big drop, and it's at their ATR target was 14.1 pips, and we actually got 21 pips, so we got more than the actual target. Okay, so great. So if you have any questions or something, go ahead and type in the chat box if you're interested in learning more. I look forward to helping you. Peace and pips. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.